SMC E-Tech Configurator is an online tool designed to customize SMC products by various attributes for a precise configuration. With this configurator, you can tailor your SMC part number to meet your exact needs. For instance, if you're looking to configure a refrigerated air dryer, you can adjust its size and voltage. After finalizing your selections, the tool displays the customized part number, pricing, stock level, CAD files, 3D models and catalog. When you select attributes that do not match, this tool displays an error message to help you find the correct product. You can also locate the configurator in the Configure Product section on product pages. Similar to air dryer example, you can configure other pneumatic products based on your needs. If you still have a question or a trouble, contact us through our live chat or email us at info@proax.ca.